If you're trying to figure out how to do employee surveys with built-in HR tools, and you want a simple, fast walkthrough without all the fluff, this is the video you need to watch to the end. I've tested the most popular HR platforms, and I'll show you exactly how to run your first employee survey in just a few clicks. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial for the one I recommend, linked in the description so you can follow along as you watch. First, log into your HR software. Most built-in HR tools have a surveys or feedback tab in the dashboard. Sometimes it's under engagement or employee experience. Click that. Now choose create new survey. You'll either see pre-made templates or a blank form. If you're doing this for the first time, start with a template, usually titled something like employee satisfaction, pulse survey, or engagement check-in. These save time and are already worded to get honest, useful responses. Customize your survey questions if needed. Keep it short, 5 to 10 questions max. Use a mix of rating scales like 1 to 5 and open-ended questions. For example, how satisfied are you with your current role? What's one thing we could improve? And always include an anonymous option. This massively boosts honesty. Before sending, set up your distribution settings. Most HR tools let you send to specific departments, roles, or everyone at once. You can also schedule it to go out at a certain time, which is great if you want responses before a team meeting or review period. Now hit preview to see exactly what your team will get. If everything looks good, click send. Once responses come in, your HR dashboard will show analytics, usually visualized with graphs and heat maps. Look for patterns. Are certain departments less satisfied? Is there a common complaint in the open-ended responses? Don't ignore this part. This is where the real insight happens. It's not just about running a survey, it's about taking action on the data. And here's a pro tip. Schedule recurring surveys every 3 or 6 months. Most built-in HR tools allow automated recurring surveys, so you don't need to do this manually every time. If you're not sure which software to use, after testing dozens, I recommend the one linked below. That free trial is exclusive for viewers of my channel, no credit card required, and it gets you full access to all survey and analytics features. Just scroll down and grab it. Here's your key takeaway. Running employee surveys with built-in HR tools isn't just fast. It's the easiest way to get real feedback that actually helps you improve team morale, reduce turnover, and grow your business. And with the right tool, it can be completely automated. Quick recap. Log into your HR tool. Go to the survey section. Pick a template or create one. Keep it short and anonymous. Send to the right people. Review analytics. Act on the results. Repeat regularly. If you want to try the same tool I used in this video, the exclusive free trial link is in the description. Go grab it while it's still available. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.